Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen how we can update tuple. So in today's video we are going to see how we can join two tuples. Okay, so first I am creating tuple underscore 1, and I will just grab this tuple. Okay, and I will remove this last data, and here I will say tuple 2, and here I will write numbers 1, 2, 3. So if you want to join tuple, okay, then you can join by plus method, like by doing plus, okay, plus operator. And if I say a equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2, okay, and print a, then you will see this join the tuple. Okay, so if you want to just multiply this tuple, same tuple, then you can also multiply it by star. So if I say b equals to tuple 1, okay, star 2, or let's say 3, and print b, okay, then you can see this tuple is now multiplied 3 times. Okay, something like this. So this is known as joining tuple. So this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in next video we are going to see methods of tuple. Okay, so see you there. Thank you.